Hi guys, today we're gonna make Mom's best ever mug cake. It's the best cake. So we have vanilla, sprinkle, chocolate, and blueberry. Blueberry and lemon mug cakes. Those are all the 4 ones we're gonna make, and they're very exciting. The ones you have ever tasted. There's my mom here.
Hello.
And now we're just starting. I'm gonna flip the camera. So we have all the ingredients. We have oil, baking powder, white sugar, butter, or we can use oil instead. And we have 4 of these cups, cocoa powder, sprinkles, blueberries, and cocoa powder, and the important thing, milk. That always keeps you healthy. So now we're just starting. Alright, now my mom's making the vanilla one. That's the first one we're gonna be making. So she's adding the lemon.
Okay, so first one. What is the first one?
The first one is vanilla, right?
Yeah.
So now we're making vanilla. So first we're having the flour. So she's gonna add, I don't know how many drops she's gonna put in, but I think 3.
Yeah, this is 3 tablespoons, okay?
Yeah.
3 tablespoons of flour.
Now she's using the big giant spoon for the white sugar.
This is the tablespoon.
Yep. So this is a tablespoon, And it's the white sugar. You can see it clearly, but it can't blend in because you can see it a line on it.
Yeah.
It does look white like that big spoon, but it actually can't blend in. It may be white, but you can still see because of the line. And now we're adding baking powder.
Good. Okay. So baking powder. Alright, so we will do the same for all 3 cups. Got it?
Yeah, we're doing the same for all 3 cups, and they're not even different. So it's the same as little flour.
Wow.
So she's putting it in that pretty cup.
We'll keep this cup for the blueberry.
That's the blueberry cup, and it matches the right color of blueberries because they're blue.
Which one for sprinkle?
The sprinkle's gonna go at pink.
Pink one?
No, wait. I think the orange one can go sprinkles, and the best ever mug cake can go in the pink. So the sprinkles one is orange, and the best ever mug cake is this one. Even it has sprinkles. And it's the best one.
Okay. And
So we're now going to do the same for white sugar.
right? Sugar.
You can hear the noise.
So next is you have to add in.
Now we're going to be adding baking powder.
Oh, hold on.
There.
And next, milk, oil, or butter.
Milk, we can use milk, oil, or butter. So now we're adding milk.
Can you see it?
Huh?
Can you see the cup?
Yeah.
To add in.
Now we're adding milk. Just be very careful not to spill it. If the milk accidentally spilled on the table, you can use a tissue to wipe it off.
Milk.
Now we're adding oil. We're adding that. Okay? You can see that sunflower oil. I don't know what that thing is, but I'll soon figure it out. It's vanilla bean, right? It's vanilla bean, and it looks like syrupy. It looks very syrupy, right, guys?
Yeah, it's vanilla bean paste.
It's vanilla bean paste. Yep, that's why it's very liquid. It's very syrupy.
Okay. Shall we mix it?
Yep. Now we're mixing with a fork. Alright, now she's just getting off the now she's just mixing it until it's done.
Alright. Okay.
Alright. Now she's done mixing. Alright, now I'm getting out. We're ready to see. It's going in the microwave. Alright, now we're putting it for how minutes?
1 minute.
Putting it for 1 minute.
Yeah.
See, it looks 100. That's up. See, look, it's not done yet, but it'll soon be. You don't have to be waiting because 1 minute is not very long. You just have to wait until it goes to 1. You know that waiting is boring, but even it's just for patience.
For some more time, okay?
Yeah. So now we can wait, and when it's done, it's good done. So now it's at 20 and 19, 18, 17. So it wait until it goes cool to 0 or 1. It will go to 1. It just go to 7. It just go to 7, you know.
How is it?
Good. Alright, now it looks good now. It's sprinkled. Yep, I can see it. Wow. It looks great. Now we have to wait for it to cool. Yep, we have to wait for it to cool now. It's very hot. While it's cooling, we'll do the same for the other one. So now we're doing the cocoa. We're doing the cocoa one. We're getting a spoon. Well, wow, of the chocolate. Now we're adding the chocolate chips.
You want to add it? Yeah.
Alright, so this is my first time. So yeah, right?
No, this one.
Yeah. So I ate some chocolate chips for my mom. So now we're gonna add the oil. Can you see that chocolate?
Okay. Now, let's put it in the microwave. Bah.
Now we're putting it in the microwave. And we have to wait for that to cool too. That's best number one, right, Mom? That's best number one, right?
Yeah. Put for 2 minutes, okay?
Don't forget to make the chocolate chip icing. I made the chocolate icing, okay? And don't forget sprinkles.
Okay.
Alright, now look at that. As you can see, there is the mug. Can't see it right. Well, but you can see, and this won't take too long, so you should wait. Alright, now it's a 22, 21, 20, 18, 17, 16, 15, 18. Alright, now we have to wait until it gets to 1, and then I can't even do it because I'm holding the camera. That's why I can't press the button. It's done. It's cool.
Ooh.
Is it hot? Is it hot?
Yeah. It's very hot.
Ooh. Wow, you can see that it's really looking like a real cake, but it's with a mug.
Yeah.
That's the real best ever cake.
Yeah.
And now we have to wait until it cools. Then we'll add chocolate icing.
Yeah, it's fine.
Wow, look at it.
That's awesome, right?
Yep.
Yeah, this is perfect. Cocoa chocolate one. So the third one is, you know what it is? What is it?
It is sprinkle.
Let's add the sprinkles. Yeah, look.
Can I add? Alright, now my mom is gonna add sprinkles for the sprinkle one.
You want to point inside? Oh. Alexa, dismiss.
Sorry, that was Alexa. We always have her.
Yeah.
Alright, now we ooh, look at the sprinkles. Pretty, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, Mom was taking a picture of me eating the sprinkles.
Yeah.
Might be a little funny. That's not even the rest of videos.
Yeah. Is it on?
Yep. You know she's adding milk.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yep.
What's the next thing?
Right.
Oil or butter?
So these two. Oh, this one's still hot even, but I know that also because we already baked it.
Yeah. Oil.
Oh, now we're adding oil.
Are you pointing inside, Jalal?
Yeah, right. Right. Oh, you can see the sprinkles over there. All right, now we're mixing with a fork. Same thing from the chocolate and the vanilla. Alright, sorry. My dad interrupted the video. But it's okay, my mom's not gonna let that front of me.
Okay, let's sprinkle some more sprinkles.
Yeah, because I think the colors are lost good.
You want some more?
Oh,
No.
just some.
Can you point inside, darling? Camera. No.
Alright, now we're gonna put the chocolate in the microwave. I mean the vanilla one in the microwave, and I bet it's gonna be so
Sprinkle
awesome.
one.
You can see the sprinkles. But put it to 10 seconds.
2 minutes.
Okay, just 2 minutes. My mom's putting it to 2 minutes.
You done?
Alright, it's done. Cool. Alright, you
Let's
better not
see.
touch it, and I know it's really hot.
Mm.
I don't want to touch it.
Here, let's see.
Okay.
Can you see?
Oh yeah. Wow, you can
Let
see
me
the
see.
sprinkle really well. It looks like a
Oh.
real sprinkled cake.
Yeah.
Alright, vanilla, chocolate, and the sprinkles are done. Next one is blueberry lemon.
So the milk.
Milk. Go. Oh, sorry, just trying to keep it still.
3, right?
Yep.
3. And let's put butter for this, right?
And yeah, butter. We haven't had butter for one of them.
Okay.
Only 1 spoon is enough.
And what else? Lemon. First, let's mix it. Okay.
Let's mix it first there. Alright, my mom's mixing with this work. Alright, now lemon juice.
And last goes what? Last goes the
Alright, blueberry.
and goes the blueberry and fold with a spoon.
Now it looks purpley, right?
And you have to use a spoon. Okay.
It says blue. It doesn't look like blue, but it's actually purple. Because the blue and white, I think, is equals purple. It's actually blue and red are equals purple, but this is different.
Okay. Now let's microwave. You coming?
Yep. Now to the microwave. And now we're putting it. It's in the microwave. Sorry, I just forgot. Oops, let's do it.
And 2 minutes.
If you're too tired, you can have a snack. Or if you have enough energy, you can look here. It's rising and rising. Yeah, but we don't want to rise it. But it doesn't have to be rising too much. That way it'll be flooding. Oh, you can see the blueberry there. It's melting in the mug.
You have to hold it? Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Okay, now I opened it.
Let me take it. You want to hold it?
Wow.
Ooh.
Look at the blueberries. You can see the blueberries, right? Alright, don't touch it.
Can you see?
It got flat by its own, you know.
Can you see?
Yep, and it's a bit flat. But don't worry, I bet it'll taste delicious. Mom, after this, can we put the chocolate icing on the best ever cake?
Yeah.
And sprinkles.
Yeah.
Alright, now my mom's just gonna be taking a photo.
Oh,
Wait.
the color.
She's taking a photo of it. Alright.
Huh?
Alright, so now my mom's gonna help me take the picture. So now, well, can I add this too?
No, only in this one. Oh, look at
It's good to get this.
that's enough.
One more. It's all warm. Even this and this. Ah, and that one's still hot.
That's the last one.
Food!
Which one you want me to? This one?
Because pink's my favorite color.
And chocolate and sprinkles. No.
No, no.
Good. Okay.
Both?
Both. Mix பண்ண விட It's hot, okay? Is it hot?
That didn't taste one bit.
Is it hot? Yeah? Take a small bite. Chinna bite.
It's not.
Is it good?
I can have my pinker one. That could have been pink.
Eat it.